Good money afternoon. I said good money afternoon because if money is with us, afternoon, morning, everything is good. It's great to speak in front of you. I want to give you some very powerful techniques in the next 1 hour which you can directly use to multiply money in your life. Direct techniques. And I promise you, if you participate with enthusiasm, you will never forget today's seminar. You will not forget it. We'll start. Just keep it to your heart. 2 minutes. Feel the energy going inside of you. Thank you. Madam, could you just keep it to your heart? Keep it to your heart and feel the energy going inside of you. The heart. Thank you. Mala do. Thank you, and thank you so much. If you love Noni, the product should go deep into your cellular consciousness. Because from Noni, we are earning money. So how much gratitude I should have for this divine product? That is why I did a ritual. Do you think that keeping it to the heart will change the dimensions of Noni? Yes or no? Yes. Simply because if Noni is in front of you and every day you do it like worship. Some people do MLM like MLM, but some people do it like worship. And all those who do like worship come at the top. And I want you all to do with worship. Noni is a product for the cellular consciousness. But shouldn't it go into our being of cellular consciousness? The first rule is Mahalakshmi, money, comes to those who have focus and aim. That is why it is said Maha, big, Lakshmi, focus or aim. Any of you sitting in this hall, if you have aim and focus, very clear aim and very clear focus, money will follow you. The whole thing is, can we rekindle this magic of focus? My sincere request to you is, today I will be talking about certain techniques. Please, in your home, keep 2 or 3 packs of Noni always in front of you. And like you do worship or puja or whatever, do this for Noni also. The energy takes over and automatically your way will be made. Is it a simple technique? Absolutely, it's a simple technique. But the beauty is to do it so that actually you feel the results. That is why I started with offering flowers. There are 2 kinds of people, ordinary, extraordinary. Ordinary and extraordinary. You have to ask, who are you? Ordinary or? It is very easy to say, I am extraordinary, but you have to back it with your actions. There is no use of saying I am extraordinary. Your actions should reflect that. How many of you sitting in this hall sleep, eat Noni? 24 hours, that energy is on. Beautiful. That is when this will go inside. Otherwise, you will be taking just like that. Walk of life. And I have been conducting money workshop across the world, and I want everybody to make money. Then why do people not make money? They don't make money simply because they don't show actions which take towards money. Today, we will speak about 5 or 6 techniques where directly you can apply and your money life will become very, very beautiful. My only request is, I want maximum participation. Madam, could you please come on stage? You are lucky. Why? Because amongst this all crowd, only you have been chosen to come here. You are lucky. I want to give you this money as a gratitude for good things happening in your life. There is 50 rupees and there is 100 rupees. You can choose one of them. Yes, you must choose. See her body language. I am wanting to give money, but she is resisting from inside and she is asking, should I choose? How can money come to you if you are fighting inside and you are not clear whether I want? Here I am happily telling, you choose. Isn't it easy? But no. There are a lot of resistances we have deep within. From childhood we have been told money is this, money is that, and right now our body language is reflecting that. Madam, I would like to give you this 100 or 50, you can choose one. Don't help her, please. Let her learn out of her own. As she learns, you will also discover something big in your life. 100? Thank you. This is yours. You can keep it. This is good luck money. Thank you. You saw her body language. I am wanting to give money, but she is not very ready for it. Yes or no? Because when I said I want to give you 50 and 100, suddenly she had lot of thoughts. Will he actually give it? Because our money life is so complicated, we have made it really difficult. And I am very happy, ma'am, that you took 100 rupees. Beautiful. Kerala people are good. Very good. Because when I did this exercise in 1 or 2 places, they were so uncomfortable, they somehow took this 50 rupees and wanted to run away from here. Please understand this. Given a choice in life, lower choice or higher choice, always go for higher choice. Always go for higher choice. Don't go for lower choice. And that's the problem. All of us want money to come, but we are choosing lower level choices. Are you getting it? So next time in life you have got an opportunity, tell yourself, I am attracting the best of the best, or higher choices come to me. And whenever you choose these higher choices, your life will automatically flower up. We'll do one more exercise. I want 3 participants. Ma'am, why don't you all come? All 3. Come. Come. Don't worry. Given a choice, you should just run to the stage. Yeah? We will learn something from them. जो भी वो bucket दो. Bucket नहीं, वो candle. Please come. What is your name?
Alice Carpenter.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Annakutti.
Elikutti.
We'll be doing one exercise with them. Are you comfortable? Comfortable? Okay. Please come here. Now we will see in their body language what actually happens. Everything that you want to know about your money world, check in the body language. You will get an answer. Madam, very simple work. Very simple. जो भी will tell you, मलयालम में फटाफट बोल दो क्या करना है. हाँ. You have to burn this. थोड़ा साइड में रहो. And after you burn this, you have to eat it and close your mouth. Good. You try. Ah, no. See how clever she is. She is switching it off. You have to have it full. Okay? Give her one more. I have got lot. Don't worry. Full. Lots. Good. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please stand here. तीन मैं को laughing बता दो. When you were doing it, were you afraid first? Pedilla. Okay, good. How are you feeling now after you did something very successful?
നല്ലൊരു ഉണർവ് ഉന്മേഷം പോലെ തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനല്ല, വയലോട്ടിട്ട് കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ എന്തോ ഒരു ഗ്യാസ് വയൽ കൂടെ ഇങ്ങനെ പുറപ്പെടുന്നു കണക്ക് തോന്നി.
Beautiful. Let's applaud her. She feels very good. Fantastic. How do you feel? Ask her in Malayalam.
നല്ലൊരു ഉണർവ് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്, വായിൽ നല്ലൊരു ഗ്യാസ് പോലെ.
Energetic. Beautiful.
നല്ലൊരു ഉണർവ് വായിലേക്ക് ഇട്ടപ്പോൾ നല്ലൊരു ഇതായി.
Okay. Very good. Let's applaud. We are going to give you a prize. Look at this exercise. Suddenly 3 people were called. They came here. We suddenly gave fire and we asked them to eat. They were not ready. There is lot of fear that comes up first. And as the fear that comes up suddenly, life is all about that. What is life about? The life gives a message that it is not possible. What does the life say? It is not possible. If it is not possible, you have to arise all the power in you and make it possible. That's it. Game is over. Don't give choice. Many people, they give a choice and run away. They are not pinning them down and saying, if it is not possible, I will ensure that I will make it possible. In your life, many thoughts come that it is not possible, I can't make money, I can't be successful, there are too many products which are there. All that are thoughts which come within. Each time you have to say, no, I will make it possible. And if you can make it possible, your whole life changes. We'll give her this. Thank you very much. Good luck. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Let's applaud. Money comes to those who are ready. I'll tell again. Money comes to those who are ready. We'll do an exercise to make yourself ready. Please stand up. Do it very powerfully. Keep your left palm like this. Left. And in this finger, we are changing our energy to have a higher energy state. You have to take the right first finger and tap like this 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then you have to again take the second finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again you have to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fifth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then take the energy inside of you. You will suddenly feel energetic. We'll do it 3 times very fast. Together, very powerfully, Palakkad style. Fast, okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you feeling better? Thank you so much. Please sit down. May I have 3 volunteers, 2 ladies and 1 gents, for learning something very, very big. Anybody? Okay, let's applaud her. How long have you been working in Nani?
2 years.
2 years. Happy?
Yes.
Successful?
Very successful.
Beautiful.
I'm just joining.
Just joined.
Yeah.
Beautiful. 1 year. How are you feeling? Good. Madam, your objective is you have to put all the 3 balls, one after the other, into this basket. Okay? You can choose from here or from here. You choose how you want. The choice is yours. Distance you can choose. But objective is 1, 1, 1. All the 3 balls should go there. That is your focus. Got it? Like this. Okay. What about you? Please stand here. Where is the challenge? Like this, huh? Madam. How many of you would have tried from distance? Sir, please come. Thank you, sir. Just be here, sir. Just be here. Please understand this exercise. It's very important. What was told to people here? Objective is put the 3 balls in the basket or the bucket and you decide the distance. And she did little less distance, but somehow it slipped out. He did it very close. As he is doing it very close like this, many of you sitting there are laughing. Because you feel that what is so great about it? No challenge in life. You tell me, if the objective is completed, why do you need challenges? Why can't we find the best way to complete our tasks? Simple. You are sitting at home and people come and enroll you for Nani. Is it good or bad? They will come only because you are ready. Right across human beings' life, people have made money very tough and hard. South Indian languages, money is very hard. From childhood, money is very hard. And this money is very hard has gone into every cell of our body. And that is not allowing us to achieve successful results. Inside of you, you should understand and say, wow, money is easy, money is effortless, and whatever is to be done to fulfill that task, I will do it effortlessly. That is great. Human beings are the only creatures who make life difficult. No animal makes life difficult. Human beings make it difficult. Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest? Mount Everest. Hillary, Edmund Hillary. Wrong. The first person to climb the Mount Everest was not Edmund Hillary. After Edmund Hillary climbed with all the difficulty and he came up, there was suddenly one voice which said, a Kerala chai wala, chaya sir. He was already there in advance. That's the spirit of Keralaites. Teamwork. I know in the place I stay, one Kerala person comes, within 1 month, the whole village has come there. Simply it's a drive. Why not? Because each one cooperates to ensure that the other person is very, very successful. And what is MLM all about? MLM is all about success as a team. How many of you go out of the way to ensure that you really care for your team members? Many of us will go to the team members only when certain things are there, when money is to be talked about, when you have to work out on, let us say, deals that are there. But how many of you will take the team members as your family? In their birthday, you go. If they are not feeling well, you go. And this bonding, if we can do, it is fantastic. Life is not rocket technology. Life is very, very easy. And please understand that if some of you feel I should throw from long distance, please understand you are missing the objective. There is good to have challenges, but why in the challenge you miss the objective itself? I told you Mahalakshmi means Maha focus. Who gets money? Somebody whose laksh is clear. And what is the laksh told to you? Put the 3 balls into the bucket, over and out. And that is why human beings make life very difficult. If somebody climbs Mount Everest, another person says, enough, he has climbed Mount Everest, I will climb backwards. He'll climb backwards. Somebody will say, okay, he's climbed front, I am climbing back, I will now ensure that I am going to roll and climb Mount Everest. Except human beings who made life so complicated, why can't we make our life effortless, simple, easy? The whole game of our life is absolute systems which will take care. And if we can get it right, it will be great. Thank you very much. Can I have? We have one of the most amazing books which I authored on something called as Ancient Indian Secrets of Money. India is the most amazing land on earth. We all should be proud to be Indians. And we all should be proud that the next 20 years are India's time. 2011 to 2030 is India's time. Whatever you do, you will make money. There is no problem. All you need to do is be ready for it. Ready internally and externally. If you are ready for it, the game is over. That much prosperity is going to happen in every part of the country. Please be ready. Life is great. And it is best to be in India in the next 20 years because India is the best country in the world as far as the next 20 years go. Good luck, man. Please read it and thank our rishis and gurus and masters. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, and thank you. God bless. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
What is this money all about? Many of us don't understand what is this money all about. We keep fighting it on a day-to-day basis. We'll see. Sorry? Life is so beautiful. If you think in the mind that you have to work very hard to make money, the universal divine plan makes it that you have to work hard to make money. That's how it works. The whole space in which we live is a divine space. It's a universal space. The minute I get into the mind, Gujaratis and make a lot of money very easily, etc., 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 that's a script written on an everyday basis. Please understand, this life works very beautifully. What does this life work on? It says, you create your own experience. If you want to create a hard experience, the divine says, okay, you created a hard experience and I will ensure to make your life hard. That's what the divine says. If you say enough is enough, I need to work smart. I'm not saying no hard, smart, and effortlessly money will flow. The divine says, tathastu, and you will make it possible. Let's see what this money is all about. Please understand this. This matchstick burnt my hands. This matchstick burnt my hands. This matchbox is useless. Because this matchstick burnt my hands, I'm saying this matchbox is useless. Am I correct or am I wrong? Beautiful. Then where is the problem? Correct. My problem, simply I did not handle this matchstick properly. Period and out. In our life, how many times we say money is bad, we don't understand. Whenever we have said money is bad, we are saying I do not know how to handle money, period. We are fighting within us. We are not trying to find out that money is a divine energy. It will do the work the way you want it. If you feel deep down in Palakkad, sitting here, that I should be the topmost earner in Noni, then the whole energy rushes to make it happen to you. All you need is to keep that. But is it so easy? No. We'll see what happens. I got this thought that I will make the best success in Noni. And then you go into the market. And you meet somebody. And the person says, network marketing is all bad. Nothing can happen. Negative comment. Second, how many products are there? What can anybody do? How can you become successful? Another negative comment. And what do? We are listening to this negative comment without realizing that every negative thought that is going inside our being. And that is why a teamwork is somebody where they motivate and say, come on, let's do it. Be aware, my friends, because in this world in which you are in, there are a lot of negativities that happen. And in this negativities, you become happy. You know why you become happy? Because you come across people who are not successful and you become happy. For example, somebody says, I have been in Noni for 3 years, but I am not making enough money. I have been in Noni for 3 years, I have not been making enough money. Suddenly you register that and you become very happy with that person because you started 1 year back only. And you say, good, he is working for 3 years and he is not making money. If I am working for 1 year and not making money, it is chalta hai. Chalta hai, no problem. We all take excuses to support us. Somebody says, become successful. And at the same time, somebody says that to become successful is not easy. You need to do 55 different things. And when you look at that, you tell yourself that, my God, it is difficult. I can't be successful. Please understand who are you around with. And whoever are you around with, you need to understand what they teach you. What is the thoughts that come across? And right now we are going to show you a very amazing clip which tells you about this team spirit. It's a very amazing clip. It's in very simple English. If you don't understand also, it doesn't matter. It is fantastic.